Hello guys, welcome to Nasir Arsheti.
Yeah, welcome.
This is me Nasir Hussain, and you know already. So, without wasting our time, we should go on our topic. So, today we are going to discuss one topic. The topic is how to learn English. So, according to me, you can learn English by yourself. How? I tell you. Because there are a lot of platforms in social media. You can use YouTube, you can use ChatGPT, and there are a lot of platforms. You can easily gain a lot of knowledge, and you can ask anything, and you will get quickly reply. So, uh, so we don't need to go outside. You can learn English by yourself. Yes. So
So, as he told you, you can learn by yourself English. How it is possible, guys?
yeah.
Sir, I have tried lots of to learn English by sitting my home, but I couldn't learn. Sir, if you learn English by social media, you can get distracted.
No, I think it's depend on person to person.
No, sir. Sir,
No.
in offline, sir, in your home, there is no friend to discuss. There is no friend to talk with. There is no environment, basically.
Okay.
How can you say?
But
if
there are so many groups are active. You can connect by anyone. You
Yeah.
can connect with foreign people. Even
Guys.
I have I have done it already.
Guys, if you try to learn English by yourself, you might have faced this kind of problem. Like when you go study, you fail in discipline. You failed in to manage yourself, to learn continuously. English must require to continuously and repetition. If you join the offline institute, then it will be fulfilled by requirement. What's the requirement to learn English? It can fulfill.
In offline there are so many distractions. You don't know.
No, guys.
We have to talk. We don't want to talk this topic, but we have to talk.
No,
Girls. Girls is a
Yeah.
serious topic. In offline, it is a big problem. I
Yeah.
saw many boys. They are getting distracted because of girls. So in online, yeah,
In online, there
you
is
focus only on your goal.
sir. In offline, sir gives every day a topic, and you focus that topic, not focus that girl, guys. And it is very difficult to maintain your distraction in offline. How, guys? You have many app to talk. You have dating app. You have we have lots of things, and we have girls in my home, in my city, in my area.
No.
What?
It's
What?
not,
What
it's
are you
not
saying,
like
man?
that. Because when we live in our home,
Yeah.
we think different. We don't think like that.
Really, we are discussing about very. It
Yeah,
is not a
really.
Roma topic.
It's not our topic, but it's a reality. Because in online there are less than distractions.
No.
Yeah, no, yeah, of course, yeah. How can you say? Because you can control yourself, but you can't control others.
Hey guys, it is a very disgusting thing, yaar.
Yeah,
It is
so
very disgusting.
I suggest you, you should learn English by yourself. You have lots of resources right now. Yeah, there are so many resources. You can learn
So
easily.
if you can learn by yourself, so why should join? Why you are joined? Welcome.
Yeah, it is a good question. I didn't come here only for learning English.
Of course.
I came here to reduce my stage fear, to remove my stage fear, and I want to develop my communication skills.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, these things are not possible in online education. It's
Yeah, of
reality.
course.
I accept this. But if you want to achieve fluency and if you want to learn only English, then I give you guarantee you can learn by yourself. You can learn online.
Yeah, of course, yaar. If you have passion, na, if you have passion and if you have no money to go outside, then you can learn English by yourself and by your online apps, guys. it's totally depend on you. If you have money, then go outside. If you don't have money, then please stay your home and be consistent to learn English. And the more you practice, then you more will be fluent speaker.
Yes, even offline education is offline coaching really is a more time consuming.
Yeah, of
It's
course.
time consuming.
Yeah. As in offline education, they are not you teaching; they are only implementing.
Yeah.
Like whatever you have to deliver the person. You have to deliver. You have to release out from yourself what you know. And sir always give you one topic, and you have to discuss, and you have to debate with them with people, and you have to give presentation in front of all people.
Yes, even since the day I came here, I learned few things really.
Yeah.
But I learned a lot of experience.
Yeah, of
Even
course.
I have improved a lot in my communication skills. So for these things, you have to join offline, really. But if you want to learn only English, you don't need to join offline classes, really.